Hey guys, and I'm here with some exciting news for you today. The Adapted Physiques app is going to be leaking some of its exclusive content onto the Adapted Online Media YouTube page. That's right, free content from our paid app to you guys here on YouTube. Well, why would we do such a thing? Well, to celebrate that, hey, I'm back with HD Muscle. And of course, we're the sponsor for this video. And it wouldn't be right if we didn't start this free content series by breaking down each and every HD Muscle product and explaining every ingredient that's in there, why it's in there, how it works, and what it's gonna do for you. So today, I'm gonna start with the protein because it's the most marketed supplement in the fitness industry. So we're gonna start with the protein, and I'm gonna work our way through each of these products. And as a second reason why I wanted to break down the protein first is because it's my first meal every single day. I have overnight oats every morning as my first meal, and it's been a staple. And ever since I switched back to the HD Muscle protein, it's literally having dessert for breakfast. So guys, real quick, I'm gonna show you how I make my overnight oats, and then we're gonna head up to the office and I'm gonna break down each and every supplement for you. So let's get started. Wow, and it's all here, just like that. All right guys, so let's make my overnight oats. So first things first, I'm gonna start off with 50 grams of oats. And then I'm gonna add my ProHD. And next we're gonna add our blueberries. And now I'm gonna have to weigh out 15 grams of peanut butter. BRB. We got our 15 grams of peanut butter. Next we're gonna add our almond milk. Close the lid. Shake it up. And now I'm gonna place this in the fridge, and by morning I will have my overnight oats. Somebody cue the quick and easy cleanup. So that's it guys. That's my first meal of the day. So let's head up to the office and break down these proteins, and then we'll get into the rest of the HD lineup. Do I like teleport now? See you up in the office. I'll see you up in the office.